We're pranking my friend Ross. When you hear the toilet flush, that means he's coming. Alright. I think he's coming. Hey, Ross is coming. He's not coming. He's coming. Hey, this is gonna be awesome. You broke the door. You broke the door.
You broke the door.
Look, there's a huge crack right there. Dude, you broke it. There's a huge crack right there, dude. You're supposed to.
Close the door.
You broke the door.
You really broke it.
Yeah, Ross, you really did. You really broke the door.